In this video, I'm going to show you how to check balance in TradingView in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must be connected to a broker. If you're not connected to a broker, of course, you won't be able to check the balance. So if you don't know how to do this, make sure you watch my separate video on how to connect a broker. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. And essentially, whenever you've done that, at the bottom right, just above the menu, as you can see, there's like that TradingView icon, which means I'm currently connected to TradingView paper trading. But for you, if you're connected to a different broker, you'll be able to find your broker's logo, or of course their icon, down there. So just tap on that. It's just at the bottom right. You can see like up here, over here. There you go. I tapped it, and you want to tap on that, and as you can see, it's going to tell you all the info about your account. And in the top left, just below your kind of account, where its name is, you'll be able to see it's going to say account balance, and you can then find your balance over here, check it, and of course you can also see your P&L, margin, stuff like that. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.